हेलो गाइस, मेरा नेम इज़ अक्षांश और आज के लेक्चर में हम बात करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के बारे में। दोस्तों, पिछले लेक्चर में हमने फोर्स के बारे में बात किया था विच वाज कूलम्ब्स लॉ, और आज हम उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकालेंगे। सो दोस्तों, पहले डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन किस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है। बेसिकली ऑन चार्ज, एंड चार्ज कैसा होगा तो कैसी फील्ड होगी। सो वी हैव अ चार्ज विच इज़ Q, which is plus charge. Then the field's direction will be outward, like sun. Okay, so this is the source charge. So source, it's like a source, and electric field को ये outward generate करेगा. Okay, let's say we have a charge which is minus Q, minus some coulomb. Okay, so its electric field lines will be inverse to the charge. Okay, like we know the diffusion from higher concentration to lower concentration, कोई भी चीज़ जो होती है वो flow करती है. So if this is negative charge, then यहाँ पे कोई positive charge होगा, मतलब this neutral area will behave like a positive charge to this one. So positive charge will flow inside the minus Q charge, and electric field lines will be like this. Okay, so these are the two general cases. Let's have two charges together. Okay, we have plus Q here and plus Q here also. Okay, this charge will generate electric field outward, 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 and outward. Similarly, this charge will also generate electric field lines outward. So the fields line here and here, both charge will generate electric field. So this will bend like this, this will bend like this, because these both charges are in positive sign, positive polarity. So this will bend out these electric field lines. Okay, similarly here also. So same charge, then electric field lines will repel each other. Okay, like this. Okay, this one was source, this is sink. This is two charges cases, two charge cases, and both charges are positive. So let's see when one charge is positive and second charge is negative. Okay, so this will generate force outward. So this will generate electric field lines outward, 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 and this will absorb the electric field lines. Okay, like this, because this is a sink here. Okay, so this electric field line outward, this inward, so this will connect with each other like this, like this. Okay, so this is the case, this is case when plus Q and minus Q comes in field contact. Okay, when two charges comes in contact, then force of repulsion or attraction happens. So here force of attraction, and here force of repulsion. Okay, because these both charges are positive, here negative, negative and positive, so this will attract. So as we know, force requires two charges, but electric field gets produced with only one charge. Okay, So as we know the formula for force, as we discussed in previous class, K Q1 and the second charge Q2 divided by distance between them. We are discussing about only the magnitude. So to calculate the electric field we need only one charge. Okay, so this is the electric field by Q1. Okay, similarly this is Q2 Q1 upon R square. So this is the electric field by Q2. R is the distance. R is the distance of the point where we have to get the electric field intensity to the location of charge. Okay, suppose this is the location of charge and this is the point P, and we have to calculate the electric field intensity between these points. So this distance is R. Okay, so as we discussed guys, force requires two charge and electric field one charge. Okay, so if formula for electric field is K, that same constant we have discussed in force formula, and Q upon R square. Okay, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. And we know electric field is also a vector quantity, so electric field is a vector quantity, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square to the R cap. Okay, then the general formula which you know is force is equal to charge into electric field. So this is the electric field. If we multiply another charge here, then we will get the force, like force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, and this Q2 again, this is R square, this is R cap. This became the formula of force. We are getting the force of attraction or repulsion between Q and small q. Okay, so we will get the force between these by this relation, and by this relation we can get the electric field intensity at any point surrounding to the q charge.